Hello everyone, today in this video we'll see how to blur background on Capcut, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open the app, tap on new project and choose the video that you want to edit, tap on add and then tap on effects on the bottom right here, tap on video effects, tap on lens and then scroll down until you find blur. You can tap again on it and increase the intensity of the blur and then tap on the tick on the top right corner of the menu. From here, extend the duration of the blur across all the video and then go back from there, tap on overlay. Tap on add and then add the same video that you added the first time. This time keep it selected and then go search for or adjust it to the previous video and then go search for cutout, tap on it and then tap on remove background. Wait for it or wait for the whole process to be completed. Once it's done, here you go, the final result. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.